Welcome to the Independence Day celebrations. On 15th August 1947, that was the day when our glorious nation, the home to the world's oldest continuous civilization, was reborn. The shackles of the centuries of colonial rule had finally been broken. The fluttering of the tricolor on the ramparts of the Red Fort heralded a new beginning. This new beginning came after a long struggle for independence at a cost that cannot be calculated. It's almost impossible to say when and where the independence struggle for independence began, but the first war of Indian independence in 1857 was undoubtedly a watershed event. The flame that the brave warriors ignited kept burning till India's eventual independence on the 15th August 1947. Our struggle for independence. Innumerable women and men broke the caste and creed, religion and region to participate in many known and unknown movements and events in the long march of freedom struggle to the adoption of Swadeshi, from Khilafat movement to the non-cooperation movement, from the civil rebellions, peasant movement and tribal uprising, to the heroic deeds of the undaunted revolutionary Indian National Army, from Jallianwala Bagh to Dandi, from civil disobedience movement to Quit India movement. Generations of our freedom fighters changed the course of history through their tireless striving for the freedom of their India. The atrocities of the British Raj and relentless plundering of the proverbial golden bird had left behind a battered nation, a divided land and millions of refugees, but that the story for another day. The supreme law of the land, the Constitution of India, came into effect on 26th of January 1950. We the people of India solemnly resolved to constitution India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic which assures the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. India recognizes justice, liberty, and equality as the basic principles of the citizen's life. From constructing engineering marvels and building infrastructure at a relentless speed to establish preeminent institutions of higher education, from crossing new frontiers in space, medicine, and healthcare, to marching ahead in information technology and digital services, from building large-scale global businesses and financial infrastructure, to producing works of literature and art, from revolutionizing agriculture and catalyzing allied sectors, from setting up facilities to support best-in-class research and development, from endeavoring to break the ground in sports to building world-class entertainment industry. Crores of Indians sleep peacefully as the valiant sons and daughters of our country, who constitute one of the world's largest and armed forces, stay awake and make supreme sacrifice to guard our borders, to keep our land, our seas, our airspace secure.
the Secretary, Department of Space and Chairman ISRO, Shri S. Somnath.
लैंडर मॉड्यूल पूरी तरह से सेफली और सॉफ्टली चंद्रमा की सतह पे लैंड हो चुका है।
Sir, we have achieved soft landing on the moon. India is on the moon.